Hello friends, you are welcome in this session. Today we are going to learn very important and interesting poem from 9th standard course book. And that is Please Listen. This is very simple poem and the speaker of this poem is teenager. What is meant by teenager? Teenager means someone who is between 13 to 19 years old. In this poem, poet described that how it is important to listen carefully and attentively to others. While listening, you try to understand the thoughts and emotions and feelings of others. And when in this poem, the teenager says that when teenager speaks, at that time their parents and elders try to give them advice and suggestion. But the teenager wants to listen his emotions, his feelings, and that's why teenager is very upset and they are nervous. So friends, let's learn the poem and understand the feelings of teenagers. Here is the chit chat activity and we will discuss about it. What makes you laugh? What makes you laugh? Any joke or any humorous stories that makes you laugh. What makes you angry? If someone is not listening you properly at that time, you also become angry. And what makes you sad? If anyone is opposed you, or if anyone is not giving respect, at that time you become sad. What makes you unhappy? What makes you happy? Yes, means if someone is understand your feelings or someone gives any gift on your birthday or wish on your birthday, at the time you become happy. Let's learn the poem line by line. Please listen. When I ask you to listen to me and you start giving me advice, you have not done what I asked. When I ask you to listen to me and you begin to tell me why I shouldn't feel that way, you are trampling on my feelings. When I ask you to listen to me and you feel you have to do something to solve my problem, you have failed me, strange as that may seem. Listen, all I ask is that you listen, don't talk or do, just hear me. In the very first stanza, the poet says that when I ask you to listen to me and you start giving me advice, you have not done what I ask. In the first stanza, the speaker complaining to his elders, to his parents. When the teenager asked them to simply listen them, at that time they start giving advice or they start giving any suggestion. And teenager says that you have not done what I asked. Means teenager doesn't expect any advice from his elders. And in the second stanza, when I ask you to listen to me and you begin to tell me why I shouldn't feel that way, you are trampling on my feelings. Here, the poet described that when speaker is saying to his parents to listen him without any advice. But the parents says that why shouldn't I feel that way? Means here the parents gives him suggestion. And so teenagers think that the elders is not treating me very well, and he also not give the respect to me. When I ask to listen to me, you feel you have to do something to solve my problem. You have failed me, strange as that may seem. Means when the teenager asked his parents or elders to listen me, to listen my emotions, listen my feelings, at that time his parents says that you don't worry about that, and I am here to solve your all problems. But the teenager doesn't want to solve his problem, but he wants simply listen to me, simply understand my feelings, simply understand my emotion. Means what I mean, he wants to listen what I mean. Listen, all I ask is that you listen. Don't talk or do, just hear me. Advice is cheap, 20 cents will get you both Dear Abby and Billy Graham in the same newspaper. And in this stanza, the speaker, the poet says that all I ask is that you listen. Means he expect from his parents, from his elders, from his relatives, from his friends, simply listen my emotions and try to understand it, what I mean. Don't give me advice. And he says that advice is very cheap, and it is even in the daily newspaper. Means columnist publish it in daily newspaper. I can do for myself. I am not helpless. May be discouraged and faltering, but not helpless. And in this stanza, the poet says that I am discouraged. I may be discouraged. I may be faltering, but I am not helpless. There is the ability, there is the capacity, there is the capability in me to do something, to solve my own problem. You don't solve my problem, but just listen me, just hear me. When you do something for me that I can and need to do for myself, you contribute to my fear and inadequacy. And in this stanza, the poet urging that there is no need of your advice. There is no need of your help, but you listen me. When you help me, at the time you contribute in my fear and in my inadequacy. When you accept as a simple fact that I feel what I feel, no matter how irrational. Then I can stop trying to convince you and get about this business of understanding what's behind these irrational feelings. And in this stanza, the poet speaks about the irrational feelings. Means if the parents or elders says that your irrational feeling, what is meant by irrational feeling? Means not based on logical thought, but according to the speaker, irrational feelings make sense when we understand what behind them. Means what is the real feeling, what is his emotion, and when that's clear, the answer are obvious and I don't need advice. Irrational feelings make sense when we understand what's behind them. And in this stanza, the poet says that speaker doesn't want any advice. Means he don't need of advice, but he urged that the parents acknowledge his feelings, acknowledge the emotion behind the irrational feelings. Perhaps that's why prayer works sometimes for some people, because God is mute and he doesn't give advice or try to fix things. And according to the speaker, the God is excellent listener. God is true listener, because, and that's why speaker says that prayer works well. Means God didn't give any advice, or he also mute, and he let the person to work his own self, or he will not try to fix the things. And that's why the speaker says that God is a good listener. God just listen and lets you work in out of yourself. So please listen and just hear me. And if you want to talk, wait a minute for your turn and I will listen to you. And in the last stanza, the poet says that the God just listen and lets you to work it out for yourself. Means God will not do your work, but he lets you work, and he listen your problem silently. And that's why prayer works very nice. And so please listen and just listen me. And in this line, the speaker also insisted that you please listen and just hear me. Means hear my emotions, my feelings, and what is my thoughts. And he also ready to listen other people's feelings. And he said that you wait when your turn come, at that time I will listen to you. In this way, the poem Just Listen is very important, and try to understand it. Thank you, thank you, thank you.